Welcome back. I look so different, right? I have a wig on. It's getting a little bit chilly around my area, so I might have to be wearing wig for the rest of the winter, but let's see how it goes. I'm not used to wig, I'm used to my hair. I know that a lot of you will be saying, thank God we like that wig. Anyway, so today I want to make you guys a homemade vitamin C toner. If you have acne, scar, pimple on your face, this is an excellent toner that will help to brighten your skin, take care of blemishes, and balance your skin complexion. It's very easy as ABC. This is things that you see every day at home, but don't forget that ingestion, what you put inside your body, is very crucial as well. So it is very important that you eat lots and lots of fruits and vegetables. They will help to repair all the collagen and produce more collagen and repair the blemishes and scars on your face. So without wasting much of your time, if you have not already subscribed, you might want to consider hitting the red button that says subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you will know when I upload a video. Thank you so much. Welcome. No, Bia Comasta. All of the above. Au revoir is bye-bye, right? So I just have to be careful to know when not to miss words. But anyway, pardon me if I don't say it correctly. I believe you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'll be making you some vitamin C toner, which is very easy. You come through and you come across these things all the time, and it is over the counter. So the first thing we'll be using is regular vitamin C vitamin. So in this vitamin C is 500 milligram. Let me see. It's 500 milligram, but we need about 100 milligram to mix about half of a cup. So half a cup will be about 4 ounces. So what we need here is about 100 milligrams. So I am not an expert in measurement. So I'll be taking one of these 500 and I will break it into 4. That's as much as I can. I'll be putting it into a paper towel and I'll try to break this to see how many I can get. I'm going to use this knife. I am not sure if you can see that. So I took a little bit, about 1/4 of this from here, and I'll be tossing it into this jug. I will be using distilled water. Please do not use tap water because tap water contains a lot of chlorine. So distilled water, about 4 ounces. So I have about 4 ounces in here. That's half of a cup. And you want to melt the vitamin C into this water. So in here is vitamin C toner, and you need a dark bottle to transfer your vitamin C toner. Do not use a clear bottle. Clear bottle will loosen the strength of the vitamin C. So it's always recommended for you to use a dark bottle container and store them in the fridge, and use this about 2 to 3 times before making another one. The next alternative is, if you live in this part of the world where you have access to raw vitamin C for skin, Yeah, this is vitamin C. This is raw vitamin C. You can buy this online. I bought this from a company called New Directions Cosmetics. You can search it online. Also, you need about quarter of a teaspoon. This is quarter of a teaspoon. Quarter of a teaspoon in here. I will also be adding about 4 ounces of distilled water. So here I have the other kind of vitamin C. I'm gonna put a little bit on a cotton ball, and you can use it to wipe around your face after you shower. Wipe around the area where you have acne. Not only does it clear acne scars, it will help to brighten your complexion, giving you that radiant skin. So this is how you make homemade vitamin C toner. It's very easy, it's very cost effective. Anybody can make vitamin C toner. So thank you guys so much for your time, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. I will see you definitely in my next video. Don't forget to share this video. You don't know whom this video will be helping. It's going to go a long way. So thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.